Hi, my name Robert Alberg. I have my Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I recently went to Franklin Falls Waterfall in Washington State to do a Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max camera video test of the water falling down the rock wall, and I now show you the video of Franklin Falls Waterfall. And if you like this video, click the subscribe button for more interesting video content, and I hope you like the video. Hi, my name is Robert Alberg, using the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. I am in Washington State at Franklin Falls Waterfall, and there are numerous waterfalls of all shapes and sizes in Washington State. The Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max camera is very good for taking photos of waterfalls and video recording of waterfalls.